interest payments, gamblers will have to lose more than $1 million a day.
Steve Hyde, Mark Edis, and myself, we had a big task ahead of us. Quite frankly, we were all worried about it. And then I was notified of the accident on the way back from the press conference for a big boxing match. The helicopter crashed. Steve Hyde, Mark Edis, and John Dunningham were killed.
You were supposed to go on that plane, true?
I was going to go from the standpoint that they said you want to come down with us, and I said I think so, but maybe I'm just because one of those got close. It would have been like a 50-50 deal.
I had an immediate